Hi guys, and welcome back to Mr. Vault. And today I want to talk about something worrying that just came to my attention. As most of you know, I have a powerlifting channel called Lifting Vault, where I post powerlifting videos with a very distinct style of videos, thumbnails and titles. And in the past year a few channels have popped up that replicated this style, but they still made their own videos and started covering some new topics. So while these channels were similar, they weren't blatant copies. And I did like that they were increasing coverage of the sport. But now some new ones have popped up, and they have taken it to the next level. I will not mention the name of the channel because I don't want to give it more attention than it's already getting. But I will give you a short summary of what this channel does. The owner downloads my recent videos, cuts out the intro or any logo, and does a new voiceover without any sport-specific information, and then uploads it with the same thumbnail and title, sometimes with an ever so slight change of wording. And this seems to be perfectly okay by YouTube standards, because this channel and similar ones are being promoted like crazy, which I think is incredibly sad. And if I am right, YouTube will shove this channel down your throat in the following week.